I'm here. Hi, everybody. How you doing? Just doing a little running around here in the house. Sorry, kind of a little behind here. How you doing? Welcome to the afternoon portion of our show. It's Uncle Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce. It is just after 3 o'clock Eastern Time. The last hour of the trading day is happening. And what is going on? Why are the shares not all going up? Don't they just go up?
Isn't that all?
Is
Isn't that
happening.
what they're supposed to do? They're just supposed to
And
go up.
what is going? They're supposed to go up. They can't go down. I didn't read anywhere in any of the manuals that stocks go down in price. They just go up in price. Anyway, we're here. Sextera is down 4 cents. That's not so bad. I mean, it's down 4 cents. Had a gain of $1.23 yesterday. It's only down 4 cents. That's kind of good. When you hold that kind of a gain, that's kind of really good. Okay. Maybe the stock will. Maybe the Sextera will go higher again. Maybe she'll go even higher now. Maybe it had a little pullback this morning to 951. It's 970. Maybe from here it'll. Wouldn't that be nice? A Robinhood is not having a great day. It's down 303 at $50.91. And then SoFi is right now at 1671. The low of the day was around 1130, 1652. That was 19 cents ago. The stock tried a little rally for about an hour and a half, then it dropped off again, but didn't come back down to 1652. Another rally and a little pullback. Maybe from here we can get a little pop. 27 cents down on the day on 14 million volume. So good volume, down not a lot. Wouldn't take much to run it. Let's see what happens. GameStop down $1.83. It's actually not doing that bad. GameStop. This is chump change for us at GameStop. The low of the day, 154, the high, 159. We haven't even fluctuated. I mean, $5 range today? It's not even that. It's more like 450 range. What's wrong? We're used to $20 moves in one day. It's quiet. That's what's wrong. It's quiet. Volume 761,000 shares on GameStop. Yeah, it's called quiet. ATIP is the winner today, up 19.5 cents. 425.5, 1.29 million, and it looks poised to go higher. It looks pretty good, holding a gain all day long and has been nibbled up. It had a down day yesterday. We were at 450 the day before, so we have a bit more work to do to get back to a better level, but at the moment it's up while everyone else is off. The Dow is up 209, by the way. S&P up 8.5, NASDAQ up 30, down 35. That's the downer on the day. NASDAQ, not a serious drop there. Oil is now up 97 cents at 69.26. I just will not buy into the notion that there's an oil shortage, a gasoline shortage. There isn't one. There just is not one anywhere. U.S. producers have got so much shut-in oil and gas. Canada has got shut-in oil and gas everywhere. Storage facilities are up to the brim. I do not believe there's a shortage anywhere in this system. And I just have this vibe that certain players out there want the oil price to go much higher for obvious reasons. They're in the oil and gas business. And they're trying to talk it up. And I don't believe it. Anyway, that's just me, Mr. Skeptical. AMC down 54 cents. It's actually come back from a low of 29.40 to 31.21, and only down 54 cents. It's actually poised for full recovery if this continues. We'll see if that happens or not. MTTR, Matterport. The matter of Matterport opened at 1665, got up to 1673, and then the table fell off, and fell off the table, I guess. 1553 for the low. 1564 is where we are now. And what can I tell you? I don't like it. They're supposed to come out with their earnings today after the close. This market is indicating to me that it's not excited about what's coming up. I'm surprised by that. I am very hopeful that the Matterport people will take the opportunity to converse with the world at large, what they're up to. The numbers are fine. I'm not looking for billions of dollars in revenues. There aren't billions of dollars in revenues yet. There are millions of revenues, yes. It's growing, yes. But they're not making like $5 billion a quarter. None of that. This is a small company, comparatively speaking. What I'm wanting to hear is the the future plans of the company, what they've done in the last year or two, where they're at now, where they're going to be at the next year or two. If they can give us that kind of picture to talk about all their new divisions that they're setting up, I think this company has got so much more going on than what we realize, or what maybe the street is aware. Maybe not with us. I think we are very familiar with what's going on. The market has no clue how diversified this company is going to get and where income will come from. It's going to come from all over the place. ME down 34 cents at $8.28 a share. We dropped to 8.09 at about 11:30 today. A comeback somewhat to the $8.35-38 range. Now at 8.28. So we're 19 cents above the low of the day. 1 million traded. ME first quarter financials Friday coming up. So we have news coming here. Just kind of waiting for a breakout. We're all waiting for a breakout. Every one of us. FWAA Fifth Wall Acquisition been down all day, but remember, it's at 12.58, so there's one number to think about. It was as low as 12.33. All right, so it's 25 cents better than the morning's drop-off. But remember this, yesterday it hit a new all-time high at 12.92. So Fifth Wall Acquisition just hit a new all-time high yesterday. Their deal doesn't close until August 23rd. We are early. This stock's doing very, very well. Today's volume, 40,900. There's no trading. There's no trading going on. Nobody wants to get out. Okay, it's down a little bit, but so what? 20 cents? Who cares? It's all right. Get it out of your system. This is going to be great. Vector Acquisition, another winner of the day, up 41 cents here. This is going to become Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, they've inked a deal with Varda Space. There's stuff happening here with this Rocket Lab company. This stock is beginning to reflect the potential of what I think we're going to get here. It was as high as $11.19 already today. It's right now $11 as I speak, up 43 cents. The low of the day was the opening of $10.60. Looking good. The all-time high on this one, $15.15. The all-time high. We're at $11. Well, we'll take that. Thank you, Victor. I'm looking forward to that. That vend in August 20. That's the day Rocket Lab takes over. So that is 9 days. 9 days. So close. NavSite down 19 cents to $9.60 a share. Low of $9.55. That was around noon hour. Stayed down there for about an hour and then popped back up into that $9.70 range. Now back to $9.60. Volume 151,000. Nothing exciting at the moment. The takeover day is day after tomorrow. So Friday. We're so close to this thing happening. Sextera down 2 cents. Just talking about them as we came on the air. We're down 2 cents now at $9.72. Hit an all-time high. Well, no, didn't hit an all-time high. We hit a high yesterday of $9.95, something like that. Threatening $10. Threatening 10. The warrants are now 190 range, 190.95 range. And Sextera is at 972. Those of you who have warrants and shares, for every 3 shares, you have a warrant. And the warrants are 190. So, at 195, that means that a third of a warrant is worth 65 cents. If you add 65 cents, a third of a warrant, to the price of the stock, you actually are looking at the SPAC price. That was a unit when it came out at $10, $10.37. So it's over above. It's an issue price at the moment. So that's what we got. Show and tell going on, I think today and tomorrow on Sextera with management. They're out there promoting the stock, telling the world what they're all about. Vanek Vectors down 64 cents, coming back to break even. Home Depot up $6 today. IBM up 93 cents, breaking our hearts at 142.31. High today was 142.76, 132.31, just near the high, much closer to the high than the low at this point in time. Dow up 220 points to 35,485. The all-time high, 35,491. And so we're 6 points away from the all-time intraday record high on the Dow Jones Industrial Average right now. That's where we're at. So it's a good day. The S&P up 10 points. NASDAQ down 27. That's what we have there. Microsoft is up 43 cents. Not a lot going on there. Apple up 36 cents. Not a lot going on there. Tesla down 9 cents. Absolutely nothing going on there. Bed Bath & Beyond up 12 cents, 29.68. BlackBerry down 12 cents, 10.24. Royal Caribbean was up this morning, then it was down. It's up now, up 97 cents to 81.72. Norwegian up 53 cents. Carnival up 32. Amazon down $34. $34.68 to $32.86. Facebook down 97 cents at $360. Google down $10. Target or Target down $1.11. JP Morgan up $1.73. Costco up 90 cents. Walmart up $1.58. Cisco up 17 cents. Nvidia down $2.20. Goldman Sachs up $5.28 to $413. It's a $700 stock in the not too distant future. $413 a share on Goldman Sachs right now. Financials have hit a record high today. Apparently, the Dow Jones Financial Index all-time record high today was set, and it'll go higher because banks are trading at unbelievably low PEs, really cheap. So there will be upside movement there. Intel up 35 cents. Micron down 84 cents. That's what we got. Coinbase came up with some better news on their earnings, I guess. They were up $11 today. They were higher. They were once up. They were once $14 higher than this. They were up $25 a share. Now they're up only $11.15. PE multiple is indicated at 57.8 times earnings at the moment for Coinbase. So they are not losing money anymore. So it's better. It's better. Boeing up $3, $2.38 a share. That's kind of where I'm looking at there on those stocks. Back to our favorites here. Robinhood down $3. SoFi down 24 cents to 16.74. GameStop down only 69 cents, now 71. ATIP up 21 cents to 427.50 or 427.5 cents. AMC down 36 cents. Matterport still down 96 cents to 15.59. 23andMe down 37 cents. Fifth Wall down 26 cents. Vector up 49 at 11.06, climbing. Navsite down 18. Cyxtera down 3 cents to 9.71. There you have it. Those are our stocks that we're following the most. Thank you for coming around here, seeing us. Nice to have you here. ATIP, February 18th, $20 put can now be sold for $1,600. If the stock rises, the put will drop in value, and you can buy back at a profit. That's true. You can write this call. I'm sorry. You can write this put. Excuse me. You can write this put contract, which obligates you to buy ATIP at $20 a share. But of course, you're getting $16 a share to do it, so it's only going to cost you $4 to buy the ATIP, and it's trading at $4.27. So, yeah, it's okay. If the stock goes to $8 and you get exercised, you will buy the stock for $20. You got 16 up front, so you paid $4, but if it's trading at $8, you sell it at $8, you make $4 profit. So yes, of course, if the stock goes up to $8, this put will go down in value. It will go down to about to $1,200, and you'll have made money. So yeah, you can do that if you want. You have a long-term belief in ATIP for February 18th, 2022, I think. Here you go, $20 put. You have to have the $2,000 in your account to show the broker you can buy the stock for $20. Mind you, $1,600 is in your account right there. So really, I think you'd need $400, but that's just me. If you have a March account, it's a lot cheaper to write that put. There you go. What else is going on here? Thank you, everybody, for popping in here, seeing us. And one of the ME announcements, Bruce, 23andMe, Friday quarter financials. I think they release before the opening on ME on Friday, before the opening. So tomorrow's Thursday. Friday morning before we open, ME announces their earnings, and we'll talk about their future, I am sure. Matterport tonight, earnings after the bell tonight. Waiting for that. What happened today to MTTR? It went down in price. More sellers than buyers. Earnings come out after the bell. Some speculators are speculating the news won't be great. That's what I'm guessing. They could be dead wrong. Shares could go way up after the market because if the earnings come out and the company says, oh, we're firing on all cylinders and we're expanding like crazy and we think we're going to make way more money next quarter, the stock might go to $17.50 in the aftermarket tonight. Making this $15.60 a pretty good buy right now, or options around it. Just saying. Yeah. Of course, I like it. I like the long-term upside on this company no matter what. That's my thought on it. Thank you all for being here today. Thank you for joining in. We've got thumbs ups here, 99 thumbs ups. We have a Wayne Gretzky going right now on this channel. This channel is a Wayne Gretzky right now. We have 99 thumbs ups right now. Thank you, everybody, for helping me out. There are 390 of you watching right now. If half of you could find a way to pop that thumbs up button, we'd be at 300 like that. We're now at 108, and I thank you. Make that 118. Thanks for helping out here, throwing the thumbs ups our way, giving this channel a bit of mo. 1, 2, 3, 123 thumbs ups. Oh, you guys are beautiful. I love you guys. I do. I think it's great. Thank you all. Those of you who are here today as members, thank you. Those of you who are here as subscribers, but not members, thank you for being here today. Those of you who are here as viewers that are not sponsors or members, what the hell's wrong with you guys? Come on. But thank you so much for being here. Please consider becoming a sponsor or becoming a full-blown out-and-out member of this channel. If you become a member of this channel, you will get to make comments on this live show, because we've just shifted back to the member-only status right now. We'd love to bring in additional members. Thank you for that. Those of you who are already members, you guys are the best. I love you guys. Thank you for your support of this channel. I know that, just so that all of you know, if you become a member of this channel, you will be able to comment on my live shows. You can use the emojis. You also get alerts from yours truly whenever there's an announcement that needs to be made, information you need to know about, like class schedules, updates on some of the stocks we're following. If I start following a new stock that I like, you'll get an advance notice over the channel that I'm following a new stock. That gives you a couple of days head start to take a position. Then I let the rest of the world know that I found a new favorite. Membership has its benefits, and I thank you all for all you members who have joined in. We have 156 thumbs ups now already. You guys have given me 57 thumbs ups from 99 to 156 in 5 minutes. That's how awesome you guys are, and I love you. Thank you very, very, very much. All right, let's see what's going on. Hey, Bruce, I just got a notification from SoFi that I'm pre-approved for a personal loan up to $100,000. Should I take it and buy 125 or so SoFi 1250 calls for January 2023 and retire? Just kidding. Oh, man. I don't know. Chat. It's worth $1. Those of you who are members, it's $10 a month, I think, is what it is, US. And it works out to 25 cents a show to be a member of this channel. 25 cents for my morning show, 25 cents for my afternoon show. And everything else is free. What a deal. Thank you, all of you. Really appreciate you being here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What else is going on here? My bagel is blue, says John Jepson. I think you've just become a new member, rolled over into a new membership. That's awesome stuff, man. Way to go. Thank you for that. That's good stuff. Yes, what else is happening? Not too much. We're up 229 on the Dow. That's the high of the day, pretty well. I think we're in new record territory. I think we're kind of close to a new all-time record. Let me see here. IBM is up $1, by the way, still breaking our hearts. 35,494. Yeah, we're right at about the record high, 1 or 2 points away from the record high on the Dow. We're setting new records every point we go higher from here. Pretty well. Very good. You're part of history today, folks. You're part of history. It's play-by-play action with Bruce. That's right. Over in the corner, up front, score. All right. There you go. Thank you, everybody. I'd buy that for $1. There you go. What can I say? Thank you all. We've got GameStop down 89 paltry cents at 158.17. Come on, GameStop. You just need to get up a little more. 159.05, and we're up on the day here. We haven't been up on the day all day. We have not been positive on GameStop, but this is as close as we've been kind of getting, sort of kind of in around it. Come on, GameStop. Let's move this puppy. Other than that, we're still down 270 on the Robinhood. We're up down only 20 cents now on SoFi. 1680. We are trickling a little higher. We're actually now at the highest level since about 11:15 this morning. This is the best level since this morning on SoFi. as it is slowly inching higher with now 39 minutes left in the day. 19-cent move, easily done in 39 minutes. GameStop down 89. ATI down, now up 23 cents to 4.29 a share on the ATIP. The high today, 438. So we need a little more. We are approaching the best level since 10:30 this morning on ATIP. 1.3 million traded. So we don't need much more to get a new high on the day here. Get back a bunch of the loss from yesterday. AMC now down only 46 cents, trying to come back to the even mark. Matterport, unfortunately, down $1.10, becoming a bigger bargain as the afternoon wears on. 15.45, and this is around the low mark of the day. I think 15.39 for a print was the low so far. That's what we got on Matterport. ME down 32 cents to 8.29, 20 cents higher than the actual low of the day. Still down a bit, and we got Fifth Wall down 26 cents to 12.58. We have Vector now up 58 cents to $11.15, 4 cents away from the high of the day that was set about an hour ago. We got that 11.19 print, and then we backed off very quickly to 10.92, and now we're back up again to 11.13. So we're 6 cents away from the high of the day on VACQ on 760,000. Rocket Lab is going to make this thing go. This is going to be a good one when we get the merger done very shortly. NavSite down 19 cents, and Sextera down 4 measly cents. IBM is up $1.04 measly cents. Breaking our hearts as always. Up 231.91 gain on the Dow. Okay, we're here. We're here for greatness. We're here for the breakout. We're here for something. I don't know what we're here for, but we're here. Welcome all. I bought ATIP December 22 contract, $5 call for $1.35. Does that get a thumbs up from you, Uncle B? I've given you hundreds of thumbs ups. I can't. Way to go there. December, $5, $1.35. Yeah. If you can afford a $2.50, it just as good. I mean, if not better. But yeah, I mean, we're now within 70 cents of being in the money on this contract. And I can see the stock reaching $6.50, $7.50 in the next month or two. I can see that. That'll put you at about $2.50 to $3.50 on the contract. So yeah, you got a double, a triple on your way. You're gonna make money. Nanette, I'm getting thumbs up from Nanette. Thank you. Thankful for sniping more at GameStop at 154, snipping it up. We're at 157.86. Evan, not even a million volume on GameStop yet. Maybe setting a record today. Very quiet. Hitting the 150s is a deal here. Uncle Bruce, how about writing 175 strike on GameStop for about $1,000, expiring 3rd of September. Too close for earnings date. Well, yeah, the earnings date is coming up in September, isn't it? It's sometime in September. Maybe you may want to do maybe an August 27th, some kind of a strike there, just kind of a week ahead, and see what you can pull in. But on the other hand, if you can bring in $1,000 for a 175, that's like getting paid 185 if you got taken out, obviously. So if the stock improves to 175, 180, but we're coming into the end, you're probably buying it back for what you sold it for, enjoying the gain on the market, not making any money on the contract, but gaining, the market will gain for you. So one way or the other, you're going to make money, we hope. If you're going to write August 27th, maybe you might not bring in as much cash on the 175. I don't know if you can write anything lower than that without going down to 170. I'm not sure. Check it out. Yeah, you're thinking, you're scheming. I like this. I like what I'm seeing here. I'm very proud of a bunch of you guys because 4 or 5 months ago, all we were talking about was stock, just stock, price movement on stock. Then I started bringing up the option thing and began to educate a bunch of you on options. And we went into just buying and selling options, and then we talked about writing options, and then we got into some strategies on options, writing puts, writing calls, and now we're getting into spreads. And you're coming along. You guys are really picking it up, and I'm proud of you. I'm very proud of those of you who are making extra money on these shares by writing call options. So writing call options on AMC has been nothing but a moneymaker for you guys. Writing call options on GameStop generally has been a win for most of you. Occasionally you'll have the odd spike, but generally speaking, it's been a good way to bring in income. And soon, SoFi and Matterport and others will start generating revenue for you. But yeah, Very, very good. Those of you who've been buying puts on Robinhood, way to go. Don't want to buy calls on Robinhood. No. But yeah, and of course, if you want to write puts on Matterport, you want to write puts on SoFi, you want to write puts on 23andMe, Fifth Wall, Vector, Sixtera, Navset. You want to write puts on those. But yeah, I like the idea of that. Anyway, there you go. NTPC. I wish I had some powder. I'm talking to you, VACQ and MTTR. That's what I'm talking to. Does anyone know if Thinkorswim shows your SoFi warrants? Anybody know that question? You answer that question. Try buying ATIP at $10. Not fun. Try buying ATIP at 10. Not fun. Hang in there. Just hang in there. Matterport. Stop the count. Question about what's it? Ivy Crush. Can an option bought before earnings overcome Ivy Crush if the stock rallies after earnings? What should Vega be? I have no idea what you're asking me. I don't know what that means. Is GameStop even going to hit 1 million? Who knows? I don't know. Uncle Bruce, I have $12.50 NAV site call expiring on August the 20th. Okay. NAV start 12.5. Bought at 30-cent premium. Premium now 7.5 cents. What are my options to stem the loss or even win? Not looking good. You get out now and salvage 7.5 cents if you can get that. Really, you just don't have enough time for a win on this at this point. 8:20. It's 9 days. So of course, NAV site merges on the 13th of August. That's in a couple days. This is a 20, so you certainly want to wait till the merger. Hopefully, between Friday and Monday, there's something for you, but you're still gambling because you haven't given enough time. But that's what you gotta do. Going postal, Bruce question: if I sold a $14.50 put on SoFi and I let it expire next week, theoretically with the stock say it's $17, can I request to exercise the buy at 14? Well, if you are writing the put, you have no control over whether you get exercised or not, and you cannot force it. No, you cannot. So no, nothing you can do on that. Gonzo, I got ATIP at 10, but averaged down to 5. I'm still waiting. Alrighty, there we go. There's the strategy right there, and that's a good one. The Dow now another record high, 234.98. We're up there. S&P up 11. That's probably pushing a high, an all-time high too. Nasdaq at 26.99 on the downside. We've got 30 minutes to go, and the day is done. We're looking at stock quotes here. Any recovery anywhere? Robinhood down 287, no recovery. SoFi down 20 cents, no recovery yet. GameStop down 79. We're so close to a breakup, to a move up. 158.26. We just need a little volume to come in, a little oomph, and we'll get over 159. It's not happening yet, but we're here. We're watching. ATIP 428, up 22.5 cents. AMC only down 28 cents. It is also so close, just like GameStop, to becoming a positive stock. Matterport down $1.25, getting a bargain rating today. 15.30 last trade, down $1.25. That is surprising to me to see it do what it's doing. I'm just surprised, disappointed, surprised, and also looking at a deal. 23andMe down 36 cents to 8.25. Fifth Wall down 22 to 12.62. Vector at 11.10, up 53 cents, looking good. NAV site down 19 cents to 9.60, and Sixtera down 4 cents at 9.70. IBM now only up 96 cents, continually breaking our hearts. That's what we got. Microsoft up 47 cents, Apple up 35 cents, Tesla down $1.01. I mean, we're talking nothing burgers here. Nothing burgers. There's nothing going on with the big names today. Nothing really happening. The Dow is up, but it's not the stocks that we follow a lot. And S&P is up 10, and Nasdaq is down 27. Oil's up 99 cents a barrel. Well, there you go. Wow. Top horse trainer Jorge Navarro pleads guilty in a major doping scandal and will pay back $26 million in winnings. What a guy. Holy moly macaroni. All right. Anyway, let's see. Uncle Bruce might get caught in the symbol change delay with the options. You're talking about NSH there, I see. we'll see how that goes. John, someone needs to be to poke the bear. Yeah, this thing DQ. Those 12.5, those 12.50 options, right? They might get caught on that thing too. Yeah, that's right. Mind you, they have until the next week Friday, so they should be all right. Okay, someone needs to poke the bear in GameStop. Thanks, NTPC. Just picked up some good Matterport calls, says Farmer. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. And DQ says, oh, disco. Right on, buddy. Coyote, what are your thoughts on the insanely low volume on GameStop these past few weeks? Kind of predictable in a way if the company doesn't speak, and they've been quiet. They had their annual meeting, and they did their management shifting and shuffling, and then they announced their e-commerce center in Reno, Nevada. They've been quiet ever since, and they can't be quiet much longer. They have to talk in about a month from now because the next quarter earnings are going to come out. I'd sure like to hear something from the company, any just updates. But public companies can operate, very quietly if they want to. Speak when they have something to say. Don't waste our time in the meantime. However they want to work it. Nicholas, that field when SoFi's down, but your options are still up. Yeah. Does that tell you something? Yeah. Daniel, did something leak on Matterport? I would have expected a decent day for them today. No idea. 15.35 last trade, down to $1.20 low, 15.29, and I got nothing. Pick a comb. Day traders taking their profits and reinvesting into the ones going up from the infrastructure bill. My guess that could be happening. A shift there. And Delahote, I bought some more in Matterport. Yodi, that's a good point. Awesome T Farmer. I'd like to buy one more myself. Can't do anything right now. If VACQ would just get up a little more here. Yodi, it just blows my mind. The most talked about stock in years, and it can barely make 1 million volume. Just wild to me. Well, it's not the star of the show today. It's just not the star of the show today. Maybe that's a good thing. It's not the star of the show in a bad way. It's just not the start of the show in a good way, and it's quiet. But maybe something big is brewing. Maybe something's cooking. You never know. Down $1.35 on the GameStop. We have 27 minutes to go. We're at 431 on ATIP. We are pushing the high of 438 now, only 7 cents away from the high of the day. We're coming on with ATIP 1.43 million. It's up, but other than that, Vector is the only other one going up. 11.12 now, up 55 cents. 11.19 for the high of the day there. Hopefully that'll pop a new high too. 780,000 volume. Sexton only down 3 cents, ready to turn the corner if it would just go up 3-4 more cents. SoFi just needs a little push and it'll be up on the day. GameStop needs a little tiny movement. AMC doesn't need much. They could all turn green. They could, but will they? I don't know. Biden says OPEC must raise oil output to lower prices for consumers. Not correct. Sorry, Mr. President. I disagree. I respectfully disagree with that statement. You need only to, actually, the American consumer has it in their pocket. They can at any time drop the price of crude at a moment's notice. How? Americans drive 10% less. You just drive 10% less for about 2 months, and you watch. Oil will plummet in price. It would plummet by $20 a barrel. Because the analysts are going, Americans are driving 10% less. The usage is way down. It's a crisis. That's all it would take. A 10% drop in the usage of oil by Americans would crash oil prices by $20 a barrel instantly, without question. Anyway, what can I say? I do like their silent game plan. No, says Coyote. Daniel, I'm looking high and low for some news on Matterport. I got nada. Me too. I got nada. Down 110 though. Just came up a little bit more. John, let's get Uncle Bruce more thumbs. Thank you. DQ News story. I want GameStop. This is what I want. GameStop announces intent to acquire Hood and dismantle it. Carlos, I set up immediate buybacks on my covered calls. Calculate the limit price at an 80% gain. Set it as good for 60 days. Automatically close my Micron covered call 10 days early. Set it and forget it. There you go. That's a good strategy, Carlos. You write your calls or you write your puts, and then you put your buyback in at a profit price that you want, 1 penny above the nice round number, and then just forget about it, and watch it get filled. When it gets filled, it's filled, and you don't have to think about it. Anti-PC, laugh out loud, DQ, music to my ears. Daniel, me too. This market has been so weird. My portfolio was up 18% yesterday, down 17% today, 35% swing in 24 hours. Mirko, hey, Uncle Bruce, I sold 4 GameStop calls yesterday, 185s. expiring Friday, 8:30 at 197. I just bought them back for 27 cents each. 680 in a day. Thank you very much. Way to go, Merkel. Good job. Well done. That pays for my classes right there, doesn't it? Nice job. Well done right there. That is really cool. And it's 4 calls. That's all it was, just 4. Nothing big. Beautiful job. That is making money. If you did that every week, you made $680 every week. Let's say 50 times a year you did that. You'd make $34,000 a year just doing that. That's a nice part-time income, wouldn't you say, on the side? Anyway, I give you that would be ultimate power move. Says Gowdy, buy up Robinhood and dismantle. It's down 286. Robinhood 5108. SoFi down 19 cents. GameStop down $1.33. ATIP at 429 up 23 cents. AMC down 35 cents. Matterport only down $1.02 now. The Matterport was down to 15.29. It's now 15.53. So it's recovered 34 cents of its loss. But let's not get too excited about that. ME now is still down 35 cents to 8.26. It's down to 8.09 at one point. Fifth Wall down 22 cents. Vector up 53 to 11.10. Navsite down 19. Sexter down 4 cents. IBM breaking our hearts with an 80-cent gain. It's slipping towards the bell. The Dow still up 214, but off the highs. S&P up 9.6. NASDAQ down 30. Oil up 98 cents a barrel. There you go. Good evening, folks. This is British Shilling. How you doing? Howdy do? How's it going? You write calls with 3 days to go, 4 days to go on something like GameStop. They are going to lose a lot of their value if they're out of the money in those last 3 days. And here it is Thursday, buying them back at 20-something cents a piece. A sweet move. 27 cents each on the buyback after selling it for 190. What was that? 197. That's a sweet trade. Really, that really is a smart move. Why not? Heck, if you got 1,000 shares and you can scoop $1.70 a share on 1,000, that's $1,700. Do that every week. 85,000 a year. Not bad. And you don't have to be very right, just reasonably right. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Sigh, why the face, IBM? Why the face? Everyone's saying hi to everybody else. Welcome, you guys, for the bell. We are 21 minutes away from the close of the day. I am looking for any kind of a sign of any kind of a rally at the end of the day on any of the stocks that we love to follow a lot. And I am not seeing much of anything going on at this point in time. I heard today, though, that I just read this a little while ago, New York Stock Exchange requiring all visitors to the New York Stock Exchange must be fully vaccinated. Cannot go on the floor, even as an employee, cannot go on the floor without being fully vaccinated. I say bravo, New York Stock Exchange. It is private enterprise that might save America. Might save it. 23andMe down 34 cents to 8.27 now, 8.26 down 35 cents. Matterport 115 on the downside, 15.40. AMC still down 47 cents. ATIP holding a 24-cent gain. GameStop down $1.39. SoFi down 23 cents, and Robinhood down 282. That's where we are right there. Mirko saying, well done. British Shilling, Heyman. There you go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Thanks for hanging out. How are we doing for the thumbs ups count? How is that coming along? We are now at 221. We were at 99. We had a Wayne Gretzky early on. I was begging for thumbs ups. We got to the 150 level. Now we're at 221 thumbs ups. Thank you, everybody, for helping this channel out. We have 483 people here. So that means at least 260 people have not given me a thumbs up because either they've forgotten, they haven't got around to it, they hate my guts, they hate America, they hate the stock market, they don't like their stocks, they want to lose money, they don't want more people to find out about. Boy, there's some reasons. There's reasons. I understand there's reasons, but if you could just chuck them all aside and give me a thumbs up anyway, that would be kind of nice. 240 thumbs ups, and I thank you. They're coming in. Thank you. We need the thumbs ups. Please give me thumbs up. 430 on ATIP, up 24 cents. Go ATIP. Go back higher right now. Don't wait. Just go. Matterport down $1.12. 15.42 right now. Come on, markets. Give us some positive momentum. I think we've deserved it. I think we've earned it. 261 thumbs up. 20 just came in. 20. Just 265 now. The thumbs ups are coming just like that. Thank you, everybody. That was easy, and I will celebrate with this.
That was easy.
That was easy. Thank you very much. And Thank you for the thumbs ups. And I can't help it. We're going here for the neat. Thank you, everybody. The neats are going out. I appreciate these thumbs ups. 271 thumbs ups. Let's get to 300 right now. Neat. Let's go, baby. Do it. Give me those thumbs ups. Hit it. 274. They're coming. Here they come. They're coming. 277. 27 thumbs up. 23 to go. 279 now. Only 21 thumbs ups left. I got the knees going. And Bryce has P's the knees going. And Jenny's got the knees going. Everyone's got the neat going. Oh, yeah, baby. Here go the neat emojis. The fun of being a member of this channel. Hit those emojis, everybody. Thank you so much. Kev Lane got it going. Thanks, Kev. Appreciate it. It's coming. There it comes. Zach's got him. Drew's got him. I got him. Everyone's got him. We got the neat attack. 294. 297 thumbs ups. They're happening. It's happening. It's so happening.
That was easy. That was easy.
Beautiful, guys. Thank you. Wally's World is here. We got Larry here. Richard the Turd. Everybody. Gonzo Cruiser. Oh, Michael K. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. DQ. Here come the neat attacks from everybody. 307 thumbs up. This channel's on fire. It's on fire, baby. Oh, you're going to love it. You're going to love this. Going postal. I just realized my VACQ are up. What's going on? That's right. Rocket Lab made a deal. That's right. You guys are going to get rich on this stuff. Believe it or not, that despite the fact you don't want to get rich, I'm going to make you rich anyway. That's what's going to happen to you people. You're going to make money whether you like it or not. Just stick around. ATIP up 23.5 cents to $4.29. Come on, markets. Matterport only down $1.08 now. It's a little better. 38 cents better. Is that right? No. It's not 38 cents better. I lied. 18 cents better than the low. We need more. There's so much more, Matterport. Come on. VACQ 1117, high of the day. 1119. We're right there. We're right there on 795,000 shares. Rocket Lab, Inc. Steel with Verta Space Industries. We've got movement on our VACQ. Yesterday it was Sextra CYXT. It's now at 970, only down 3 cents. It gained $1.24 yesterday. Only gave back 3 cents today. This is very good. Sextra is not coming back. This is good stuff. I like it. SoFi down 19. Come on, SoFi. Give us a little run here. My viewers deserve the best of the best. They have expensive tastes and dreams and aspirations. That's what they have. Stock market with Jerry Seinfeld. Love you, Bruce. You're always happy. 1122. I don't know what's the 1122 all about, but come on, man. Let's go here. Oh, man. 1124 on Vector. Oh, that's what that is. New high, 1125. We're going higher on Vector. Up 67 cents. It's going higher. 1124 now. 1124, 1125. How about that stock? Yes, VACQ, kids. You're getting richer on that one today. That's definitely going up. It's definitely taking off for you. Yep, and ATIP 430 on ATIP. Come on, ATIP, up 24 cents. You can do more. You know you can. My VACQ option just entered the green line over break even. Finally, says Zach. Finally, I'm positive on this thing. GameStop, 158.04, only down $1. Come on, baby. Scott Coleman, thank you so much. I love that. Love the donation. Thank you, Scott, so much on the PayPal. Thank you for that donation. I really appreciate it. Go Vector says anti-PC. Yes. Come on. Let the good times roll. Come on. Let the good times roll. Come on. Let the good times roll. Yeah. SoFi down 18 cents. It's up a penny again. 17 cents. SoFi's only down 17 now. Ooh, down to 15 minutes to go. Only a penny a minute. We'll get it back up there. A penny a minute's all we need. Come on, you guys. Let's get going here. No need to be green, be red. We need to be green. That's what we need. We deserve to be green today. Oh my. 1124 on the Vector, up 67 cents, right near the high of the day. IBM up 73 cents. Heartbreaker that it is, still up. I mean, even IBM is up today. I mean, that would mean all our stocks should be up. If IBM can go up, why can't all of our stocks go up? I mean, come on. Come on. Let's see here. Hey, Bruce, with GameStop volume 800,000, can you tell me what type of volume is strong? This ain't strong. Rocket Lab, $80 end of the year. That's what's going to happen here. What's your Victor, Roger? Oh, yes. The Dow holding a 199-point gain had been higher. S&P up 874. NASDAQ down 29 points. Yeah. Wow. What can we say? What can we? What can I tell you? We're down 18 cents on SoFi. Just come on, SoFi. Down 17 cents. Let's go, SoFi. Why can't you be more like IBM? No one ever said ever. Liking the T-shirt, great color. I got another one of these. I'll be wearing that one probably tomorrow. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Over, under, done, over, done, over. Done over, done, under, over. Yeah, okay. We're up 204 in the Dow. We're back on that 200 line and over. That's good stuff. What can I say? Shirley, you can't be serious. I don't call me Shirley. My name isn't Shirley. Going postal. IBMs don't grow on trees, but apples do. Innovation. Give Bruce a thumbs up. Fauci is going to save America. There you go. Where are we at right now? 322 thumbs ups. They're still coming in. Thank you, everybody, for inching those thumbs up ever so a little bit higher. Thank you, and thank you. That's right. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Trying to get this market going, kids. China, just trying to make you money. That's all. We're trying to do here. Trying to make you richer, as hard as we can. We're working it. Just sometimes it's not that easy. That's how it is. I'm looking forward to this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, live classes. Saturday, we're going to talk about butterfly spreads for puts and calls. We're going to talk about several kinds of strategies on the butterfly swings and spreads where you can write and buy options without having to own any stock. If you only got a couple $1,000, you can play this. You can play spreads with a couple of grand and make money. Yeah. So we're going to talk about some strategies there. We're going to go into that. And on the Sunday, you keep asking me, how do you pick your stocks, Bruce? How do you do? How do you find them? What is it you're looking for when you pick a stock that you want to invest in? I'm going to tell you all how I do it. On Sunday, the big reveal. It's going to start with me taking my clothes off because I do it naked. I don't pick stocks with clothes on. That's why I don't pick stocks on the air because standards. Not allowed to get naked on the air on YouTube. But on the class, it's a private telecast. So, not really on YouTube. I could just take my shirt off and do it naked because, I don't wear pants anyway. So, yeah, at 4'8", you don't see below my navel anyway because you got the camera way down here. So we'll have a good time on Saturday and Sunday if you dare. Market was good until the infrastructure bill was announced. Laughing a lot. Thumbs down, Mr. Fauci. DQ, it's about your situation. I'm staring down college tuition and a bunch of other expenses like that, not going to a debt for. I don't know what that means. Flip-flop Fauci. My kids, that is for my kids. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Thumbs down to people who still think COVID isn't real or being overblown. Hey, cancel my seat for that Sunday class. You're scaring me. Not so excited today. Looking at Emmy and Matterport. Put a marijuana leaf on that green shirt with the words getting higher. There you go. Zach, gotta be wild and free, feel the breeze, and hear the message from the stonks. Bagel navel. There you go. Naked shorts. Call a spade, auntie. Wear mask now, don't wear mask, etc. SoFi will be so fine. We just need to be patient. Even its shorters are barely over 3% now. It used to be nearly 30%. We'll be fine. Sorry, laughing too much. Missed the typing. Watch Senator Ron Paul go off on Mr. Fauci. Yeah, the genius, Ron Paul, the brain surgeon, Ron Paul. Yeah, Ronnie Pauly. Oh boy. Oh yeah, Ron Paul. VACQ 1119 up 62 cents. Oh my. Okay, we're down to 10 minutes to go here. Yeah, clothing optional. That's right. You guys can be naked. So can I. You guys watch me naked. I can be naked on the air. Is Strange Brew a documentary? Rand Paul. What? Zach is smiling. SoFi only down 12 cents. It's coming back. SoFi's coming back right now. 16.86. It's coming on. Highest level since noon. Yeah. Highest level since like 11:30. SoFi's coming back. It's coming on right now. Watch out. Watch out on that SoFi. Look out. Gain of function, Foudy. Yay, Rand Paul. How I pick my naval lint with Bruce. Didn't Rand Paul's neighbor beat the crap he did? Get your Fauci. They make it up as they go. I prefer Rand. Jeremy. Yeah, he's an eye surgeon. Oh yeah, he's such a smart man. Oh, Rand Paul, what a smarty pants that guy is. I sold my all my clothes to buy SPACs. Oh man. You know, I figure I can get to about making $1,000 each month on 100 GameStop by playing safe. Just need more of those. There you go. And here you go. I'm just here to bust your chops on politics, Bruce. That's all I'm here for. 1685 down 14 on SoFi. Come on, SoFi. Let's go. ATIP at 429.5. GameStop down 61 cents. So close. AMC down 28 cents. So close. Matterport down only $1 now. It has come back. It's at 15.55. 26-cent gain from the low. Now down only 97 cents. Matterport climbing at the very end. It's coming on. 23andMe still down 39 cents. Fifth Wall down 28. Vector is up 62 cents to 11.19. Navsite down 20 and Sixtera down 3. IBM breaking their hearts with a 63-cent gain, slipping at the end here. IBM 196.92 on the Dow. 196.92 gain on the Dow. Oh my. Oh my. What can I say? I'll take Senator Ron Paul over Grouchy Fauci any day. I love Rand Paul. Oh, scary. Innovation, a 1.8 million volume on Matterport. Uncle Bruce, please show your recent lists. Certified by the board and his family created. The DAX is on an all-time high today, partially due to the infrastructure bill they said on TV, even has an effect in Europe. There you go. How about that? Stock picks that I like. Stock picks. Where are my stock picks? Well, I do have my stock picks are right there. There's my stock picks right there. You can check those out if you like. Let's go. Okay. Too many crazy comments. All right, there we are. There's my stocks. The ones that I like. All right. Welcome back. Where are we at now? We're down 12 cents on SoFi. We've got 6 minutes to go. We're only down 12 cents on SoFi. GameStop still down 83. ATIP up 24 to 430. That's near the high of the day here. AMC down 26 cents. Matterport down 98. 23andMe down 40. Fifth Wall down 24. VACQ up 55 cents, holding a gain, but not as high as it was. Navsite down 20, Sextra down 4, IBM up 69. There it is. Not a big comeback, but SoFi is coming back. It's down 11 to 16.88. Only down 11 cents to 16.88 on SoFi. Earnings tomorrow on SoFi. Matterport earnings tonight. Soon. We're at 15.56, down 99 centinos. Who was supposed to have earnings today? Matterport. Let's see. Yep, Matterport. There we are. Oh man. I'm not commenting on politics here. I'm not going to do it. We're at 4 minutes to go. SoFi 16.89, down a dime. Coming back now within a dime here. GameStop still down 92. ATIP 430. Down 22 on AMC. Trying to come up. It's trying to come up at the end. Matterport still about down $1. That's what we got here. Down 9 cents on SoFi. 16.90 on SoFi. Yeah. GameStop volume right now. GameStop won 860,000. Quiet day. 158.23 down 82 cents. Now down 78 cents on GameStop. ATIP still up 24. SoFi down 12, 13, 11, down 11. 16.88. Okay. Oh man. 16.88 on SoFi. Down a dimer. Down a dimey. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my God. Yeah, go SoFi go. Down 10 cents. 4 minutes. 4 minutes or so. Sarcasm, of course. Matterport, what's going on? You're supposed to dump after earnings, not before. GameStop, when do we go to the moon on this thing? When? Down 10 cents on SoFi. Low of the day, 16.52. Right now, 16.89. All right. GameStop might not even break a million. That's true. Might not. 16.90 now on SoFi, down 9 cents. Close to 16.99 last night. Still down $1.01 on Matterport. Waiting for this market to come through here. 3 minutes to go. No big run up at the end here from what I can see across the board, although SoFi has made a move higher since about 145 today. GameStop, SoFi has moved higher since 145 today to come back to 690. But that's all it's given us. We're at 3 minutes left here, 2-3 minutes. That's all. Last of the run here. 2 minutes 30 seconds to go on the day. Here we go. RCL announced senior note offering, more dilution, and the stock goes up. There you go. I think it's a low since mid 2017 that GameStop doesn't look to break a million shares. And DQ, IBM, I'm going to treat you like a girl that just doesn't like me. I'm going to obsess over you and spend a bunch of money trying to get your attention. Wally's wrote, is this the lowest volume for GameStop ever since they went public? No, I don't think so. I don't think that's true. I don't think so. I can't prove it. I don't think so, though. Whatever. What are you going to do? A 16.90 on SoFi, not going any higher. Still down 99 cents on GameStop. And Matterport down 99 cents to 15.56. The Dow up 214 points, surging up at the end, going higher. 2 minutes, 1 minute, and what? One some odd minute to go. The Treasury 1329 dropped from 139 to 132, so that's lower. Interest rates down. Okay. Yes. Well, 23andMe, so shorty. 23andMe 818. Yeah. Let's see what else. Down 11 on SoFi, down $1 on GameStop, down 97 on Matterport. We're coming to the bell. We're coming into the last 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minuto and 5 secondos. Coming in the last minute now. And we're going to finish this thing off, but we're not going to have a great close from what I can tell you, unless there's some surprises in the works. Don't see it. I don't see it. Let's see. Whatever. 16.89 on SoFi. $16.91 on SoFi, down 9. We are ringing the bells. Yep, we're ringing them. It's all over. There they go. They're clapping in relief. We're out of here. We can get out. Oh, man. Cowbells. The bells. Thank you, Larry. 214-point gain on the Dow, now showing a 220-point gain on the Dow. SoFi down 9. GameStop down 45 cents. ATIP at 432. Finally, it broke through 430 to 432. AMC down 21 cents. Matterport down 98 cents. 23andMe down 41 cents. Vector back up to a 61-cent gain. 11.18 on the day. High today was 11.25. Very good day today for Vector. Sextera lost 2 cents on the day. I'll take that. That's okay. I'll give them that. They had a 123 gain yesterday. It's all right. Yeah. So there it is. What can I say? This is where we're at right now. There we have it. Guys. 16.91 on SoFi. And 16.94 in the aftermarket on SoFi, up 4 cents now in the aftermarket. Go figure. Okay, GameStop closed at 158.60. It's 158.10 on the aftermarket, down 50 cents. Couldn't break even today. Came close, but couldn't do it. And Matterport. We're waiting on Matterport now. See what Matterport has to say with respect to their earnings. They will report here after the bell. We closed at 15.57 today. We were at 16.55 yesterday. 15.57 now. And that's a very disappointing day today. Really, really disappointing. And what can I say? Unbelievable. 900,000 volume on GameStop. Very low. Let's see here. And what else? ATIP, a nice little upswing at the end. Yeah, it did pop a bit. ATIP, just a tiny little bit at 432. 1.76 million, but the high today was 438 this morning. It didn't even reach the new high. But there it is. GameStop under 1 million volume. Yeah. Matterport, earnings coming out shortly. We're waiting for them. See what they have to say. GameStop lowest volume since July 2017, says Evan. There it is. ATIP, never mind. CDC revised Florida's numbers down by nearly 10,000. It made an error off by almost 50%. Okay, whatever. 15.57 on Matterport. No trading yet on the aftermarket. Waiting for Matterport's earnings to be released. And then at 5 o'clock Eastern, I think they have a conference call, if I am not mistaken. Waiting for Matterport to speak. Please do talk to us and tell us something good. Please tell us something really good. Please. Yes, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 o'clock Eastern. Matterport will have a press conference waiting for Matterport's results. All right. And there you go. The Dow closed at 219.97, up on the day. A new all-time high record close for the Dow. I believe S&P 500 also set a new record with a record high. Yep, because it was up 11 points. Whatever, any gain on S&P or Dow, new record high closes. NASDAQ down 22.9 today. Okay. That's where that's at. Okay. What else? Matterport up 26 cents in the after hours. Not showing anything like that on Matterport. I'm showing no trades on the after hours that I can tell you. Do you think, Uncle Bruce, do you think it'll be a post-market move on Matterport after earnings, or do we need to wait till tomorrow? Well, there could be. It all depends on just, how it comes together. Right now, there are no after-hour trades that I can see on Matterport. I have nothing official showing anywhere. Nothing there. Let's see if I can do something over here. Whoops. Okay. Matterport after hours. See if I can find any kind of quotes anywhere. Nothing showing yet anywhere. Nothing yet showing anywhere on Matterport after hours. Okay. I'm seeing it on TD Ameritrade, says nephew Nick. An anti-medical examiner, never mind. I'm not going to talk about that stuff. Matt, don't worry. Be happy. Well, thank you, Matt, for this donation. I appreciate it, buddy. You hang in there, too. Is Matterport halted or what? I don't know. Any companies outside our usual suspect that you think benefit from the infrastructure deal? Haven't had time to look at it yet. Auntie, are you fighting a war that cannot be won? Good luck. Never mind. Not going there. Showing 15.57 on the close, down 98 cents. I'm not showing an after hours trade at this time yet. So I have nothing like that. Excuse me. There we go. Whatever you touched just helped your sound. That would be some interference, and you just fixed it. Okay, so it was like a selfie tour on attack or a riot. Get the story straight. Oh, people are complaining. Stop arguing on here about that stuff. It's a stock market channel. Don't want to do politics. Stay away from that. 1583 on E-Trade, says Carlos. Okay. And do that. 1557. There you go. All right. Yeah. Nothing on Matterport as far as any kind of a trade, after hours trade. I don't see anything yet on after hours. Not even on Nasdaq. I got nothing. Not a zip zilch. Net pod any news. Okay. Just waiting for the company to make an announcement. That's all we're waiting for now. Whenever they want to release the numbers, they will. Usually 5-10 minutes after the bell, they will announce. Usually. Yeah. Hi. Okay. 1583 on Fidelity as well. And I see Matterport up 27 cents after hours now, 1950, 1555 now down no less than a dollar. 1545 by 1584 on E-Trade. Well, I'm not seeing anything here on my Market Watch system, and I'm not getting anything on my Yahoo Finance system. So there's two. I'm not getting anything. So okay, let's see what's going on. Now down 6 cents on TD Ameritrade. Has ME died and gone to heaven? We're now showing 1551, says DQ. Okay. All right. Okay. Hey, Mr. T. Hey, Brucey. Stopped in for a little first time in a little while due to work commitments. I hope you're doing well, boss man. We are hanging in there. A little bit of a downer day today, but we get those from time to time. It makes those updates even sweeter. Waiting now for Matterport's financials to be released at any moment. And we know that's coming, and it's coming soon. We're just waiting for a release of financials on Matterport. Yeah, that's why we're here. The excitement's killing us. Yes. Waiting it out. Okay. Yep. Nothing yet, kids. Nada. Pod of news. Nothing. Yeah. Okay. All right. Back to here. SoFi earnings during the live market tomorrow? No, after the close. I think it's after the close tomorrow. There's just no after hours volume for Matterport. The bid is 1 share. Ask 5. And it should be coming out at any time. SoFi after hours. SoFi results after hours. Matterport at any moment. We're waiting for the results any moment here. And let's see what's going on. Yeah. So earnings are coming out right now on Lordstown Motors. Earnings have come out. And yeah, SoFi will be in the after hours tomorrow. 16.93 on SoFi after hours, up 3 cents. GameStop 158.37 down 23 cents. ATIP no trades in the after hours. Matterport no trades in the after hours that I can find. All right. And we're told that the report will come out in the aftermarket, but the actual phone call, the actual conference call for Matterport will be at 2 Pacific, 5 Eastern. But we should have the numbers out at any time. We may have. I don't know if they'll be picked up though on CNBC. I don't know if they'll pick those numbers up, but we're waiting for Matterport. Okay. You think it's that long? I didn't think so. I thought it was at any moment. That's what I thought. Yeah, second quarter financial results on Wednesday after the market close. Then they will hold a management conference call at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 Eastern, to discuss the numbers. So they're going to come out at any moment. Not by the time 5 o'clock rolls around, they'll have been out a while. That's usually how it's done. Usually that's how they do it. We're just going to have to wait for it to come out. That's it. Come on, Matterport. There we are. There we are. Yep. Yep. Waiting and watching and wondering. Okay. I'm ready. Anytime you want to do it, Matterport, we're here. We're ready to hear the news. Give us the news. Talk to us, please. Oh, boy. Mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have not posted on the results yet. Yeah. Sing us a song, Bruce, see if we can guess it. Friday nights at 7 Eastern. Oh, man. Oh, my. Yeah, 7 o'clock Eastern. Oh, my. Waiting for Matterport to speak. Give us a sign. Give us a sign. Tell us something. Talk to us. We're here. We're your friends. No trading on the aftermarket that I can tell. Nothing. I'm trying to remember if it's ever traded in the aftermarket. Does it actually even trade in the aftermarket? I'm not sure. Thought it did. I thought it did. But what can I tell you? You know what? I came in for the nudity and stayed for the dead air while we were waiting for earnings, says DQ. Zach, okay, that's fair. I'll happily be there once a week for a cappella hour. Yeah, right on, man, right on. Yeah, I don't know if these, if I don't know what the deal is for stocks, whether they have to pay to be part of an after-hours trading system or not. I don't know. You would think so. I mean, they pay to be part of the stock exchange. So I know that. But anyway, Austin is saying, if you ain't first, you aren't first, you're last. Ricky, Bobby. Uncle Bruce, FBIO Fortress Biotech SPAC no longer on your list. You had it back. No, I didn't. Never had Fortress Bio list. No. I had Fortress on my list, but it wasn't the bio. Matterport has had an after hours order book. It says he never had that one. That's right. FBIO was never on. No, never on. What was the name of that Fortress I had? Fortress Value Income Fund. What was it? Fortress. When I drop a symbol, I get rid of it. It's out of my head forever. But I did another Fortress. After hours and pre-market just seems like another way to screw retail investors, says Carlos. Well, unless you make money. FVAC. Cheddar, what in the heck are we talking about? Stocks trading in the after hours? I don't get it. They trade in the aftermarket. Right, FAII. That was the one. That we had. Fortress Value Acquisition Fund. That was the one. Right. The results are out. They say results are out. If you bagel heads don't get a trivia game on Friday is amazing. Absolutely. 1557. We're trading at 1550 now. I see an after hours quote for the first time. 1550 for 1530 now. I see 1530 down 27 cents on 1,300 shares. Okay, I'm finally showing a couple of trades. 1527 now on the aftermarket. Matterport. Let's go. Is there any news anywhere on Matterport that we can find through any other sources? 1510 down again. Matterport. Nothing there. Let's go here to here and over to here. Matterport. Still not showing Matterport trades. 15 to 1510 is what I'm showing right now on 5,000 shares. That's all I've got. Okay. Oh, gosh. Let's see. Matterport. Okay. Thank you there. Okay, back to here. And here. And, okay, here we go. Earnings are out. And we're at 1527. Okay. And we're at 1470 on the stock now. 1470, down a little more. 1470 right now. Bargoon City. Loading reports record revenue of 30 million, 10% sequential increase. Subscription revenue jumps 53% to 15 million from a year ago period. Total subscribers increased 158% to 404,000 from a year ago. And then there's the sell-off. I got Matterport puts. Someone's throwing thumbs up. 1480, 1466. I show 1489, 1470. Total subscribers increased 158%. And here comes the dip. Okay. And down 6%, now down 81 cents. 1484 I'm showing. 1460 I show now. A 1460 price. And there you are. Could be attacked by shorters. Could be. I don't know. Let's go. Let's go here. It's moving all over the place. 1464 now. And yes, it's moving all over the place. 1509. 1464. 1509. You tell me. You tell me what it's doing. 18,000 volume. That's all. We'll see how this plays out. And they're talking the light speed on the tube. I'm hanging tough. You betcha. Earn and crash. 1506, 1509. We're holding 1509 now, down 48 cents from the close. Low of 14. What was that? 1460 or something like that. Touched it. 1509 right now. People are noticing. $15 I notice now on 18,300 at the moment. So that's what I'm showing on Matterport. Let's go back to here and showing no official news anywhere. Matterport. No news there. No. I've got nothing here. Still looking for it. 1495, 1460 the low, 1495 right now. So I'm showing it at 1495 right at the moment. On that report, it should bounce back tomorrow. It might bounce back tonight. This might be a little shot down, and then all of a sudden, watch out. You never know. One call, one stock, not overexposed. What scares me is SoFi tomorrow. It does this. I am screwed. Michael, total revenue was 29.5 million, up 21% compared to second quarter of 2020. Subscription revenue 15.3 million, up 53% compared to second quarter 2020. The company's growing phenomenally fast. Absolutely. And let's see. I want to use Matterport to become the new gentleman burglar of the age. And the bid ask is $1 between bid and ask. And Yahoo has the results. Uncle B. All right. Let me take a look if I can find that over here. Yahoo has the results. Uncle B. And I'm not showing it there. And I'm not showing it there. So I get nothing. I get nothing right now. 1495, 1509, jumping about 1509. And let's see. I'm not stressing about this, says Auntie. Yeah, it's 21,000 volume, very very low. And yeah, I'm going to put a buy in below 15, see if I get some. Matterport oversold. Annual recurring revenue 61.1 million. Spaces under management grew to 5.6 million, up 75% compared to a second quarter of 2020. Let's see. Maybe somebody just banged at the close. It'll go higher. 1509 right now on the aftermarket. 1509, 22,000 volume so far, and we're showing bid-ask spreads of $1 or so. Try to scoop some at 1451 or 1456. You might get lucky. I don't know. Let's see. Wouldn't surprise me. Go over 17 more. Wouldn't surprise me either. Just wouldn't. Remember, aftermarkets are notorious for being very wild because there's much thinner markets. But we'll see. I did a January call at 15 strike. Not gonna stress it. There you go. 1509 on 22,200 volume here on Matterport. 1515 just jumped again. Is that right? Is that right, good Jim? It's looking better. Looking a little better. Yeah, just jumped up 6 cents to 1515. 1520 now. 1520 down only 37 cents. I'm saying at nephew Nick, I'm saying. Alrighty. 1520 right now down 37 cents. Could easily jump $2 from here. Easily. We'll see. I haven't seen anything on the CNBC, folks. I don't know if they've covered it at all. And I have September 15th. I'm not worried, says Gonzo. What was the report? Anyone know? Uncle Bruce just emailed you a link to the results. Thank you. I've gotten some silly buys in aftermarket. 1520 now on the stock. Thank you. Hey, Dan, thanks, buddy. 1520 now. Last trade. Down 37 cents. Matterport records record revenue, 30 million, 10% sequential increase. Subscription revenue jumps 53% to 15 million from a year ago. Total subscribers increases 158% to 404,000 subscribers. We are thrilled to report another record quarter with strong subscriber and subscription revenue, pushing revenue up 10% sequentially, demonstrating our continued momentum, said R.J. Pittman, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Matterport. It was another quarter of strong execution across all vectors as we announced significant industry partnerships, expanded our service offerings, and strengthened our management team with world-class leaders to continue to scale our business. We are now ready to accelerate our innovation and consumer growth, our customer growth, and being public will give us the visibility and financial resources to achieve our ambition of digitizing the built world. We continue to expand our business with enterprise customers, which drove our net dollar expansion rate to a record 132% in the quarter, above the 129% that we achieved in the first quarter. We're still relatively early in our present penetration with top enterprise customers and expect additional growth with new and existing enterprise customers. Total revenue 29.5 million, up 21% compared to the second quarter of last year. Subscription revenue 15.3, annual recurring 61, spaces under management 5.6 million, and subscribers increased to 404,000. So looking good. Became a public company and raised $640 million in gross proceeds by successfully completing a business combination with Gores Holdings, announced significant industry partnerships with Facebook, PTC, Apex, and SimLab, announced a collaboration with Facebook AI Research through which we made the largest ever data set of 3D indoor spaces available to teach robots and virtual AI systems to understand and interact with the complexities of the physical world, announced platform integration with PTC, with augmented reality software offerings, announced a partnership with Apex to enable retail brands across the United States and Canada to access, collect, and evaluate building data and information from all their stores in one place, announced strategic partnership and investment with SimLab, a technology company that specializes in the digitization of buildings throughout the design and construction phases, continued expansion of capture services on demand to another 14 cities, making the service available to customers in a total of 26 cities across the United States. Strengthened the financial team, the executive team, and they've got conference call information coming up. So they're very happy. They're very pumped up. They're jacked. They're growing. and they're getting stronger. There you have it. That's the dealio, folks. What can I say? They're growing. They're growing. They're growing. Okay. 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 Dokie. There we go. All the numbers are included in this report too. Very good. 1480 on the stock right now. And let's put that over there. Thank you again, Dan. Appreciate that. Sending me that. That's great. That helped a lot. All right. And let's see. Yeah. All right. Right. And let's go. Volume now, 37,000 shares. 1490 last trade right now. Okay. No worries, Uncle B. You got it. Yeah, 1490 on the stock on 37,300 shares. And, they'll talk in the conference call a little bit more. They'll bring out more info. They'll talk about their future. And, I just think that this company is going to generate, hundreds of millions of bucks a quarter eventually, and then billions. They're just going to make a ton of money. They're going to be working with so many different companies in so many areas. The insurance business, Bed Bath and Beyond, like Airbnb people, retail store layouts, realtors around the world, developers, new subdivision developers, resort developers. Oh man, is this company ever going to do well? Bronco was not sure how to say this, but would you say or agree a Matterport is a long-term hold while GameStop is a bit shorter, if that makes sense? Well, both can be medium to long-term holds. Matterport is the kind of company that, a couple of quarters from now is turning the corner and making all kinds of money and gets a takeover offer. I don't know who, but all of a sudden, a monster comes up to him and says, how about $100 a share? Take a hike. Stock gets to 40, 50, goes for 100. That can happen. But I kind of get the impression that Matterport will continue to quickly, like every week or two or three, announce another major deal with another major partner as they grow out. And they're funded now to really grow. And so these shares down here are a bargain as long as they last down here. The street just needs to understand just what this company is really about. This is ground floor. Kids, you are in pre-IPO territory. You are in so early, so new with this company. Even though they've been around a while, you are really early in the public tradable life of this corporation. And as the market figures it out and puts two and two together and goes, wow, these guys could make a ton of money here. These shares will trade ahead of themselves for years and years, and they could trade at 25, 30 at any time. And that would be fine by me. We'll see. All right. Let's see. Let's go. Yeah. There's good stuff happening here. What else? And yep. Anti-PC is literally copying and pasting exact quotes from this announcement. And the stock at this point, maybe people were thinking it would go to $20 tonight, and they're getting out. They're just not into. They're not medium-term players. They're day flippers, and they got hit hard today, and they're getting hit harder now. Maybe that's what it is, but they're going to run out of stock very shortly here. And the bargain is there. If some of you are trying to get this at 1450, you might have a shot now. 1463, you might get a shot at it. I don't think it's going to be down here tomorrow morning. Not on the regular market, but I could be wrong. They're doing a show and tell tomorrow. They're at the Canaccord Genuity investors conference. They'll be talking about their results and their future there. And I think anyone that hears about what these guys are all about are going to go, this is a this is an interesting company. This is something you got to pick up and put away. You got to grab some of this stuff. Anyway, there you go. Very low volume, pushing it around. Let's see. It's a great app to buy, right? My average $12.93. Back to 10. $14.75 right now, coming on again a bit on 55,400 shares. Right. Be interesting to see if any kind of a outside group comes in to pick this thing off, or what are they going to do with the $600 million? What's the plan? I'd like to hear someone ask that question. What's your plan with $600 million? You don't need $600 million to do what you've been doing. $600 million is going to have you go to another step. What is that other step? Is that a takeover of somebody? How's this going to come out? $14.75 now. 300 at $14.50. There you go. There's a buyer at $14.50. I have 1,200 shares and some calls and puts. Excited for this stock. I'm going to make it $14.51. That's a good plan. Hey, Bruce, what is your Matterport sell-off all about in plain English? Like I said, just a few minutes ago, I just think maybe there's a bunch of flippers that got disappointed. They thought it would be a quick ride. Didn't get it. They're bailing out. I could be wrong. Don't know. You got to stop thinking about our stocks as penny stocks. Kev, Go and Postal Kevlin, you just figured this out. She's the awesomest purposeful made-up word on here. Not good. All SPACs just got pummeled. I want to hear about MTTR's plan too. I'll probably catch 3 to 5 more from Matterport. Only small looming term buy for me. There you go. $14.75, down 82 cents on 62,500. $14.75 last trade. All right. Let's see. Here you go. I know for the long term, you just can't. You can just keep buying and not worry about what price. But it's so much fun to try getting good deals on dips like this. Maybe Matterport will say what they're going to do with that money on the webcast. Those are some big red Matterport crayons. Oh, thanks, guys. Andy saying thank you. $14.70 now. $14.65 right now. Going in for a quick ride. It's a great way to lose money on the stock market. The players you're up against so massively outclassed an individual trader. May as well be buying scratchers. Just buy and hold. That's all you got to do. Just buy and hold. That's secret to success. Buy and hold. There you go. $14.65 on 73,100 shares. That's where we're at. Right here, right now on Matterport. Okay. There we go. Damn, I wish I could buy more down here. If I meet Kevin is in on MTR, I'm in. Yeah, I think he's in it. He talked about Matterport a long time ago. He did a video on it. I think he's in on this, but I could be wrong. He hasn't called me to talk to me about it. Open call. You can call me anytime you want to meet Kevin. We'll get together. Love to have you on my show. Hey, buy and hold and write. You mean buy, hold, and write contracts. There you go. There you have it. Right on, guy. Now might be a good time to write some put contracts on Matterport down here. Get the chance tomorrow. Write some 15s. Write some $15 calls. Good for 3, 4, 5 months. Bring in a big fat premium. Commit yourself to buying the stock at $12.50. Say thank you, and watch it go to 20 and make a pile of money. Lovely. $14.89 now at 74,200. $14.89. Jordan, I never know what can happen, so it's better to look out for better bargains than usual. Best example is ATIP. That's the reason why I still avoid VACQ. Going postal, low of $14.55, still 5 cents more than what I have into it. There you go. If Kevin didn't sell his bags, or heavy, I think he's gone in before they negotiate a deal when he was around high 20s or 30s. Possibly. $14.89 now on Matterport. Right on. So they're growing and they're getting richer, and they're going to do their conference call in about 25 minutes. You guys are invited to check it out if you like. Tell me all about it later. I've got to get going. Jen and I have some running around to do. We're constantly wheeling and dealing here, getting the house listed and packing. Working here. $14.88 on Matterport now. Getting excited. We're going to become nomads. We're going to be traveling the world. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I got to get ready for my classes this weekend. 2 classes, Saturday and Sunday. Come and join us. Splair TV, very true. I have some VACQ, but I'm holding off for these weird dips as well to build my position. Splair, but it's hard. I love space companies. Zach, thanks for everything, Bruce. You got it, buddy. Thanks, Uncle Bruce. A field of supercomputers gaming you from trade orders up to gobbling up profits long term. They won't lose. Don't sweat a dip. Buy and hold. There you go. Have a great night. Thank you, guys. $14.90 now on Matterport. $14.90. 74,000. $15. 74,200 traded down 67 cents. $15 a share on your Matterport. Jordan, thanks, Bruce. Anti PC and everybody else. Blair, work it. Snap. Yeah, baby. Let's go. $15 a share. Time to go higher. Have a fabulous night, folks. Thanks, Bruce and Jen. You got it, guys. 74,200 volume now. $15 last trade. Uncle Bruce, thank you. Take care. Night. Uncle B, see you in the AM. You got it. Thank you for the thumbs ups, everybody. 386 thumbs ups have come in here tonight. Thank you so much, all of you, getting me up to this level. This is awesome. Saw stuff. I love that. Thank you. Splair Rocket Lab is much better and indeed more meme-able. Company, space-centric, slightly eccentric CEO, great numbers, huge growth now in the future, just my opinion anyway. Have a good evening, everybody. Simon is saying, thanks, buddy. Michael, take care. Thanks, buddy. Anti-PC. Jordan. Splair, good move. There's a possibility we should be ready to catch it. Alrighty. Great news on Matterport. We expect the launch shoot. Microsoft killed it, and then they tanked on earnings. Not worried, but Matterport is just going to slow roll up. If it pops, wahoo. If not, same old. Well, I'm there. Going postal. Bye-bye. Have a good night, everybody. DQ. Oh, and why that face, IBM. 1501 now on Matterport. 1501. Till tomorrow, Gonzo. You take care. All right, guys. I'm out of here. We'll see you tomorrow morning. First thing, 8:30. Let's see if these stocks go higher for us tomorrow. Enjoy your evening, Uncle Bruce. Christina says, thank you, Christina, for your kind words, and all of you for your support. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. You guys take care. Bye for now.